keep in mind, not everyone will file their taxes for free. It really depends on the conditions. For example, if you use help with the expert from TurboTax or any other TurboTax products. But yes, on the other hand, if you meet the conditions, you can also file your taxes both in federal and state for free completely. So the first way. On this current screen, right now I'm on 2025 taxes on my info window. What you want to do? You want to go to the bottom left of your screen and click on Switch Product button. After that, you want to click on Downgrade button here, which then will take you to this page. And you want to click on Downgrade to Basic button. After that, you can just click on Continue right here and start to fill up any sections to file your taxes. The second way. You want to click on Switch Product button at the bottom left of your screen. But right now you want to click on Clear and Start Over button. Here, click on Yes button, tap on Continue. Right here, you want to click on Got It button. You want to pay attention at this window, because you have to uncheck of all the checklist if you ever find the checklist is on. Literally every checklist. You want to make sure to uncheck it. This way, TurboTax would not recommend to include any of their products to you. And don't worry, as you are fill up the sections later to file your taxes. You can still input your info. And after that, on the bottom, you want to click on Continue. Here you want to choose on Comfortable on My Own, and then hit the Continue button. And as you can see, TurboTax would not including any of their products. And you can file your taxes for free right here. You can just click on Start for $0. And to make this tutorial shorter, I'm just gonna choose on Did Not File Taxes Last Year. And again, tap on Continue button. And as you can see, on the price preview, my prices to file my taxes will be on $0. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.